Now we start MATLAB. This is the desktop. This is the MATLAB icon. We double click on MATLAB icon. This is the command window. This is the command history window. This is the workspace. If we click this, this is the workspace window. This is current directory path. This is the current directory path where the MATLAB file saved. This is the menu bar. This is submenu. This is the title bar. Okay. This is command window where we can write our program or any calculation, arithmetic calculation, just like calculator. Okay. Now this command window is in default position. Command window we can separate. We just click on undock command window. Now this is separated. This is in large size. Here we can clearly write our program. We can minimize the MATLAB main screen. Minimize this, again maximized, again command window maximized. Now both MATLAB main screen and this is command window. If we close the command window, now there is no command window. Okay. We click on desktop, click on desktop layout, click on default. Now command window is in default position. Okay. In MATLAB we can work mathematical or arithmetical operation just like calculator. We type 6 plus 4 and just enter. Answer equal to 10. Again 15 minus 2, enter. Answer is 13. Again 6 into 2, just enter. Answer is 12. We cannot delete this by this way. we can clear the screen. We just type CLC. Enter. Screen is clear. Now we write a program, a simple program. A equal to 20 semicolon, enter. B equal to 5 semicolon, enter. C equal to A plus B, enter. C equal to A plus B, value of A 20, value of B 5, so C equal to 25, answer. Okay. We can change the value C equal to A minus B. We cannot write this way, cursor click on this and change. This is not actually done by this way. We just click on up arrow, value are come, again up arrow, other B equal to 5 semicolon, again up arrow, A equal to 20 semicolon, again just repeat all values, CLS, again 6 into 2. By this way we can change the value. Here C equal to A plus B, we just change this minus, next enter. C equal to now 15. Okay. This is a process for written program in command window. We can also write our program in edit window, where we can save our program in a folder. Okay. First we create a folder. This is the desktop. Folder can be created in desktop or C drive or D drive or E drive, anywhere. Right click, new folder, folder name MATLAB JCGP, MATLAB JCGP. Okay, this folder name is MATLAB JCGP. Now maximize the MATLAB screen. Now it is very important we change the path. current directory position, click on browser for folder, next click on desktop, then click on required folder name. Folder name is MATLAB JCGP. Select this folder. OK. Here the path of the current directory c:/user/soumen/desktop/MATLAB JCGP. All programs are saved on MATLAB JCGP folder. Okay. Now we write program in edit window. Click on new M file. This is edit window. This is command window. We click on undock command window. Now command window this is command window, this is edit window, this is edit window. Here this is main MATLAB screen, this is edit window, this is command window. Okay. We click on edit window, we click on command window. In command window, now we create a file where we save our program. Type edit, EDIT, edit. Type edit in command window or in edit window. Type edit anywhere. In edit space file name. File name is RAMU, Ramu. Enter. A equal to value of A equal to, A is the variable, A equal to 5, semicolon, enter. B equal to 7, semicolon, enter. C equal to 10, semicolon, enter. Type D equal to A into B minus C. Okay, enter. Now we save the file and run. This is the save and run icon. This is the save and run icon. Click this icon, save and run icon. here MATLAB JCJP folder, position path is here, file name is ramu save. Okay, answer D is the answer. Again run. D equal to 25, A into B, 5 into 7, 35, 35 minus C value is 10, this is 20 value, 25, the value of D equal to 25. Okay, here if we close main window, we can see this file. This is the MATLAB file, name is Ramu. Okay, now again maximized the main window, next editor window, next command window. Okay, now we close all windows. Okay, it is clear, my student. Thank you.